What if I told you DJI now has one drone that makes flying incredibly easy for beginners and another that literally captures everything around you in 360 degrees at 8K resolution? That's exactly the situation we're looking at today. On one side, we have the lightweight, beginner-friendly DJI Lito Series built for effortless aerial photography and long flight times. On the other side, there's the bold and creative DJI Avata 360, DJI's first true 360-degree aerial camera drone that combines immersive FPV flight with full-sphere video capture. These two drones may come from the same brand, but they're designed for completely different types of creators. So the real question is, do you want simple cinematic aerial shots with maximum ease, or do you want total creative freedom where you never have to worry about framing your shot again? Let's break it all down and see which one actually makes sense for you. Let's start by comparing their core design and use cases. The Lito series, consisting of the Lito 1 and Lito X1, sits in the sub-249 grams weight class, which in many regions means no registration or exam to fly and fewer flight restrictions, a big plus for beginners or hobby flyers. Both drones fold into a compact form that easily fits into a small bag, and they're built around a traditional camera drone experience. You point the camera, fly, and shoot, like most DJI consumer drones before them. On the Avata side, the drone weighs around 455 grams, which is considerably heavier and puts it into a category that does require registration and compliance with aviation rules in many countries. But that's because you're getting something fundamentally different. The Avata 360 isn't just a forward-facing camera, it has two 1x1.1-inch CMOS sensors, each about 64 megapixels working together to capture 360-degree spherical video and stills, something you simply cannot do with a traditional setup like the Lito series. When it comes to imaging capabilities, the differences are even dramatic. In the Lito series, both models use a 48-megapixel camera with a gimbal and sensor balanced for stable aerial shots, and they both support 4K video recording at 60 FPS, plus slower motion up to 100 FPS. However, the X1 goes further with HDR video, a larger 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor, 10-bit D-Log-M color profiles, and up to 14 stops of dynamic range, which gives you greater flexibility for color grading and capturing scenes with contrast. The Lito 1, while still very capable, uses a slightly smaller 1x2-inch sensor and sticks with standard video profiles. The X1 also uniquely adds forward-facing LiDAR for more precise obstacle sensing, whereas the Lito 1 relies on omnidirectional vision only. Both drones feature smart shooting modes like Active Track, Quick Shots, Master Shots, Panoramas, and Hyperlapse, all designed to make cinematic shots easier without manual piloting expertise. Both can stay aloft for about 36 minutes on their standard Intelligent Flight battery, and that can extend to about 52 minutes with the optional Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, a notable figure in this segment. Now compare that to the Avata 360's imaging setup. Its dual lens system allows you to capture 360-degree video up to 8K at 60 FPS and 360-degree photos up to 120 megapixels. This means you don't have to decide which direction your camera should face while flying. You capture every angle at once. After the flight, you can reframe shots, switch perspectives, and basically create multiple clips from one spherical capture, which is a very different workflow from pointing a gimbal camera like on the Lito drones. In addition to its 360-degree mode, the Avata 360 lets you switch to a single lens mode at up to 4K at 60 FPS when you want a more conventional shot, and this dual mode flexibility significantly broadens what you can do creatively. The video transmission and control experience also highlight the contrast. The Lito series uses DJI O4 transmission with up to around 15 kilometers range, giving you responsive control and reliable live feed for standard drone flying. The Avata 360 uses DJI O4 Plus media transmission, which pushes live feed ranges up to roughly 20 kilometers depending on region and conditions, and supports multiple ways to fly. You can use a traditional remote controller with screen, an FPV controller, or goggles with motion control setups for immersive first-person flight. For creative pilots who like FPV, That flexibility is a huge advantage over the Lito's more traditional approach. Safety tech also differs according to the drone's missions. The Lito series includes omnidirectional obstacle sensing built into the drone's vision systems, helping avoid collisions from multiple directions. The Lito X1's LiDAR takes that further in low light and dense environments. On the Avata 360, omnidirectional obstacle sensing is available in its 360 mode thanks to the camera array, and it also integrates propeller guards, a Cinewhoop-style design that protects the craft during proximity or FPV flying. While the Avata's array doesn't replace the comprehensive multi-camera obstacle systems found on some traditional camera drones, it's tailored to the creative and dynamic flight environments this drone is meant for. Beyond footage, internal storage and editing workflows are worth thinking about. The Lito X1 includes 42 gigabytes of built-in storage, so you can shoot without immediately needing a microSD card, while the Lito 1 relies on external storage with microSD support. The Avata 360 also features built-in storage, around 42 gigabytes, plus a slot for microSD cards, and because you'll be capturing huge 8K 360 files, that extra space can matter more. However, the Avata's creative flexibility comes with a trade-off. Editing 360 footage often requires more powerful editing tools and computing power, especially if you want to reframe, add effects, or stitch clips after the fact. Of course, part of picking between these drones comes down to who you are and what you want. The Lito series delivers excellent all-around performance for everyday aerial footage, great image quality, smart shooting features, long battery life, and beginner safety built in, all in a portable, lightweight package that's easy to pick up and fly. It's arguably one of the best value propositions for newcomers who want high-quality aerial shots without a steep learning curve. The Avata 360, on the other hand, is a creative, disruptive product, a drone that doesn't just capture footage, it captures an entire environment that you can explore later in post. It's positioned for content creators, advanced pilots, and FPV enthusiasts who want to experiment with storytelling, immersive shots, and dynamic captures that traditional cameras can't match. In short, if you're looking for straightforward, high-quality aerial footage, easy flight, and smart automated shooting, the Lito series is likely your best choice. But if you want to push the boundaries of what's possible with drone content, recording full-sphere 360 video you can reframe later, and combining that with immersive FPV flight, the Avata 360 opens up totally new creative possibilities that go well beyond the standard gimbal camera drone.